Trouble-free operation of the machine can only be guaranteed if maintenance and service work is carried out regularly. The maintenance schedule provides information on the activities to be carried out regularly by the operator and the operating materials to be used. Before starting maintenance work, the appliance must be cleaned with water and suitable cleaning agents. When using a high-pressure cleaner, hose lines and valves must not be cleaned with a direct jet of water. Special care must be taken with electronic components. These are specially labeled. The water temperature must not exceed 60 degrees Celsius. The maintenance schedule includes the following activities. Clean the inside of the telescopes using compressed air and remove deposits. Then lubricate the inner sliding bearing surfaces of the telescopes. Spray the outer plane bearing surfaces of the telescopes and support system with Teflon. Make sure that they are clean, dry, and free of grease. To lubricate the slewing gear correctly, the lift boom must be fully raised. Lubricant must be applied to all lubrication points while slewing at the same time. Regrease the ball joints of the stabilizers with suitable grease. All materials required for lubrication can be purchased from any PALFINGER Service partner. Then carry out a visual inspection for any damage, for deformation, cracks and corrosion of metal components. If any damage is found, contact the PALFINGER Service partner immediately. Pay particular attention to the screw connections and any leaks in the hydraulic system. To check the hydraulic oil level correctly, the device must be in the transport position and the vehicle on a flat surface. The hydraulic oil level must be between the minimum and maximum markings. If it is necessary to top up the hydraulic oil, ensure that it is filled with the correct type of oil and avoid mixing it with other oils. The sticker on the hydraulic oil tank or the documentation supplied provides information about the oil used. Hydraulic oil may only be topped up using a suitable filling device with a filter function of at least 5 μ. Service and repair work that goes beyond the maintenance specified here must only be carried out by a PALFINGER Service partner.